Hey there, girl travelers, welcome back. Today I'll be exploring Verona. I'll also be exploring whether or not Romeo and Juliet actually existed. I'll be doing this with my good friend Nam of Laugh, Travel and Eat. So, come along.
I've been a vagabond drifter. I'm just taking one step at a time. I feel the scars and the blisters. Now I just gotta give up and resign. I am going fast.
Just arrived into Verona. First things first, because Nam and I are going to split up at the end of the day, we need to ditch our bags. So we're looking for left luggage. Not all stations have left luggage, but this one does. Okay, so this is a little pricey. I'm going to try someplace like a little further away, like maybe 10 minutes, 11 minutes.
We have to walk that way anyway, it is true.
We do?
Yeah, that is to town.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Right outside the train station. You have to ask why. Nam said it's probably because of a musical.
They have an opera festival here every year, so that's probably from the opera either.
Oh. I went online to check where you could put left luggage and found this spot, kind of like BagBnb. I'll put the link down below. I'm assuming it's a service where shops can open up their premises for storing their luggage. And it's a good deal, so. Look, he's looking. So we just left our bags in there. I only made one reservation, but he also took Nam's bags too.
He did. I was trying to pay, but my phone glitched completely, and he was just like, oh.
Basically, we just stored our stuff for under $6. God, that was such a lifesaver. So definitely, if you are in Verona, check that place out. Oh my God. It's got floors. Floors, and look at their desserts. That's the fanciest McDonald's I've seen. The entrance to Verona. This is so beautiful. Oh my God.
That's the Amphitheater. You can just see a corner of it.
Where, right there?
Yeah. It's one of the best preserved Roman amphitheater around the world.
This is gorgeous.
And they still hold like concerts and operas and musicals inside it. It's really, really.
It looks like ruins.
No, inside it's like steps and everything. It's quite nice. Sometimes it's open, sometimes it's not. But it will cost you a pretty penny to go in.
Oh, it will?
Yeah. So this is kind of like the start of the old town. So we're walking into it. It's such a beautiful place, honestly.
We're lucky today because Nam actually lived here for about a month, right?
About a month.
And you're here with what?
The Casa di Giulietta. So they're the secretary of Juliet, and they reply to letters that people send to Juliet.
People actually send letters to Juliet.
So there's a movie, Letters to Juliet. So if you watched it, you know what it is, and it's real. Just not as romantic. It is real.
It is?
Yep.
So Juliet really did exist?
Apparently they think a version of Romeo and Juliet existed.
Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. You've got a drinking water fountain right here. Okay, or you can stick your bottle there. The cuteness of these streets are just blowing me away. The bread lady? Oh my God, quintessential shot.
Back in Italy in the medieval ages, if you have money, you don't travel, you build towers. So that's like a tower in every town and city in Italy.
Oh, there's someone up there.
You can climb up.
You can?
Yeah, I think it's like €6 to go up.
Okay.
You have to walk all the way up, but it's a pretty decent view, yeah. Maybe we can see if it's sunnier and then we can try it.
Okay. Oh wow, what are these? Are these oh no, there's people are just using anything to stick on here just so they can like mark their visit.
This is the letterbox where people can put the letters in if they want to.
Send letters to Juliet?
Yeah, so they come and collect this every few days.
Oh really?
Yeah, so it's locked. They have the keys and you can put the letter in from the top.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
So people know about this? Oh yeah, there are letters in there
Some
already.
people know. I think most people came in here to see the balcony and statue down there. So not a lot of people actually remember to put letters in there. That's why everyone's writing on the wall instead of doing this.
I don't think those are letters. Those are just like, I was here.
Yeah.
Oh, you can go up there?
You have to pay for the museum to go there. Yes, but you can. They made the balcony from a sarcophagus.
Oh, a sarcophagus?
So it was someone's coffin.
Oh my gosh.
They do a reenactment of Romeo and Juliet sometimes.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Have you been here when they've done that?
Yeah, but it's so crowded that we were just like stacked against each other. And they have a woman in costume up there, the guy in costume down here, and everyone just watching. Original statue of Juliet is also inside.
Oh yeah?
This is a reconstruction because people pull on the arm so much that the left arm falls off.
Oh.
People go and rub the right breast of Juliet for luck and love.
I'm not sure about that because she wasn't very lucky in love. I don't know if I want luck from Juliet. It ended in a suicide pact. It's a love story. No, it's not.
The moral of the story is not like the love will conquer all, it's just a star-crossed lover. And then the end.
Okay, so you've got all this gum right here that's been stuck to this wall. Little secret letters in here. Secret notes. Right next to it, you've got like this wall of love locks. Seems like a lot of people are inspired by star-crossed love. These are all hopefuls. Still looking for like someone writing on toilet paper. That would be interesting. Oh, look at this one. It's on a sanitary napkin. This house was constructed in the 1200s and it has been taken over by the municipal of Verona. It's gone through 3 restorations. There's also a tomb of Juliet here apparently. So Juliet did exist, it seems. But whether that story is real and what Romeo's end was, we don't know yet. We're in the supposed house of Juliet. You'll see like just a lot of artwork here. It's been inspired by the Romeo and Juliet story. We're on the actual balcony of Juliet. I've got a whole line waiting for me, so I have to hurry up. Thank you. That was kind of a thrill actually. I felt a little bit of a rush. This is what I would look like in Juliet's dress. This is a Renaissance style bed. I don't know if it's the actual bed of Juliet. So there is a Dear Juliet Club, as Nam was saying, and its very purpose is to help sustain that romantic inspiration that Romeo and Juliet had. Every year they get like throngs and throngs of letters for Juliet. And what the volunteers do is they respond to them. I guess I'm gonna see if she can respond to me. Nam actually did a blog on this. I'll leave her a link down below and you can check that out.
You like Romeo and Juliet?
It's very fascinating, I think. Just the idea that there is a house here for Juliet. There is Romeo's house as well.
It's quite close actually.
We'll have to visit that. The statue of Dante, who apparently lived here for a brief moment in his career.
That building right there with all that fresco.
I imagine it all takes money to upkeep or maintain.
This is a Piazza di fruit. So this is marketplace, which is still a marketplace. So.
Oh, this is the porcini. Oh my gosh, these are all mushrooms.
I don't remember if this is correct, but they say if it's virgin, walk underneath the whalebone, it's gonna fall. I don't think it's true.
Is that like a Veronian kind of myth?
I don't know. I don't even know why they dangle that thing on there. It's really weird.
We don't know if Juliet and Romeo actually existed, although there are like things that show you that they did. There's also a crypt.
It's like interesting. You kind of want to see it, but once you've seen it, you're like, what? Because it's like, it's not even a proper crypt. You get the coffin, but it's like open. People have been taking chunks of it away. So there's like not much left.
It's kind of horrific.
Yeah, I don't know why they let people do that. It's really, really strange.
Yeah, oh my
and
God.
really disturbing.
Okay, well let's go eat right now. He's making it by hand, that's gotta be a good sign. This looks like marshmallow balls. These gnocchis look so fluffy. Parmesan. at that ricotta.
So hungry.
So I think it's just gonna come like made, sauteed. Have an assorted array, I guess, of different tortellonis, and they are all vegetarianish. So if you ask for like the assorted, he just kind of like puts like a little bit of each into your plate. Nam has like a normal, the original, I guess. I'm really excited about this. Yes, there is actual spinach in here too.
I don't know. I know this place. I can't remember what it is. It's meat. I don't know. There's definitely some herb in it.
It's colored the pasta, but they also have like little bits of radish and cheese. I like that it's got a little bit of tang to it. Going in for the pesto ricotta. For some reason it tastes kind of seafoody. Is that right?
I think it's pesto.
Okay.
Yeah, pesto with a lot of cheese.
I'm eating slow, I've got to catch up. There are 8 in total. I've only downed like 4. Oh, this is a interesting looking one. This might be the fungi. This might
That's
be
the mushroom, yeah.
Okay,
This is the best, I think.
Wow, it's a strong flavor. The mushrooms are really strong, like in terms of scent, in terms of flavor. The moment that tortellini was coming close to my mouth, I could already feel it and inhale and kind of taste it to some degree. I love mushroom, but they're those strong. So you just have a lot of robust flavors in here. They're unique and different from what you would normally taste like in your pasta or your tortellonis. This place has a lot of character. You can smell the smells. Everything is fresh, homemade. Oh. We are outside the residence of Romeo. He is currently nowhere to be seen because this house is owned by someone else. So it's a private residence. You're not able to go inside and check it out, but check out all the vandalism. I guess this is just like little echoes of the Romeo and Juliet and all the people leaving behind personal marks and graffiti. This is the Castle Vecchio. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a museum. Yeah, so this castle was owned by the Scala family, one who owns all the towers, or many of them. This is one of the more impressive bridges I've seen so far in Italy.
Well, it's a bridge to a castle.
You can imagine like horses tromping up here.
If you watch the new Romeo and Juliet, the 2014 one, they did the scene where the Romeo ride a horse down this bridge.
Oh, really?
Pretty cool, yeah.
I'll have to check that out on Netflix. Here you can see the castle. And the river, the winding river. It's a long way down for my selfie stick to fall.
We are on our way to Ponte Pietro and Casa San Pietro, but here's a great focaccia place that I love. And it's super cheap.
We bought one and we split it. You can see like little pools of oil in there and the rosemary. Oh, yum.
Right?
Crunchy, crunchy good.
That's what I was saying. Taking it away is a bad idea. You should eat it now.
There's no way you want to save this. It's perfect, like hot. When you bite into it, it's kind of got a crunchy but doughy taste. It's like soft,
and the
fluffy.
rosemary is like perfect, heavy.
We're loving Verona right now. Eating Verona. Check this out, guys. Wow. Last bite. That's the Duomo over there. And that is a church up there.
And the ancient wall is just around there too.
The ancient wall.
So we went past the old wall on the way in Padronova. But on this side it's harder to find them, but they're along there. You can go hiking, but you kind of need to find it. And you can go down to Porto Vescovo, which is the other train station from
Oh, okay. You'll find the historical center of Verona inside the wall and the regular and normal city center outside of it. Okay, here we go. Initially, I thought Shakespeare's tale of Romeo and Juliet was pure fiction. But now, I really don't know.
There's more. There's definitely more.
What is it called? The Chocolateino.
It's basically white chocolate with pistachio.
So we went to Nam's secret favorite gelato store.
With a secret flavor,
Yeah, I've not seen this flavor around.
right? It's like proper chunks.
There are proper chunks.
It's so good.
And I like that it's chunks and it's not just like the entire flavor.
Yeah.
This is what's really unique about it. There are chunks of pistachio in here. It's like chopping into like pistachio butter.
Anything for coming to Verona for the ice cream and the focaccia.
Oh my god, this was such a wonderful experience. I love this city.
Right, I knew you would.
Check out my friend Nam's account. I'll leave her links down below. You can check it out. Until then, travel safe, smart, and fun. I will see you here in Verona. May the GRRR be with you.
Join me weekly for more Girl Traveler videos. It's through resourcefulness and viewers like you who keep my channel going. So if you love what I do and want to see me continue creating solo travel videos, why not support me on Patreon?